With Project Online, Sarah's team can capture ideas and initiatives in the form of SharePoint lists. When any of these innovation initiatives is ready to be executed, Sarah can create a project from the information captured in the list. Project templates leverage workflows that help Contoso stay on track with critical tasks, activities, and milestones. These workflows can be built and customized using the new Visio and imported into SharePoint Designer for further refinement before publishing to Project Online. Next, Sarah navigates to the project that was created from the company's Innovation Hub to check its status. She sees that the project is in the initial workflow stage, at the Initiate gate, which requires an approval to proceed. Once the project is approved, Sarah sees that it has moved to the Define stage. She navigates to the Project Details page, which contains custom fields that capture essential data, including the business justification for the project, project costs, and the department that will manage the project. Next, Sarah navigates to the Strategic Impact page, where she can rate the impact of this project on the key business drivers determined by Contoso to be most important. Project Online captures important information about each business driver, including project impact statements that communicate thresholds for each impact rating. With project details, schedule, and strategic impact sections completed, Sarah is ready to advance the project to the next stage in the process and check it back in so that it can be executed by the project team. With the project advanced to the next stage, Sarah turns her attention to reviewing the company's strategic business drivers. By creating and prioritizing business drivers and rating how well each project meets these goals, Sarah can easily optimize her portfolio for the greatest business impact. Sarah can meet with executives and stakeholders on her team to rank each business driver with relation to the others. Project Online assigns each business driver a score based on these rankings. Once business drivers have been prioritized and projects rated against them, Sarah can perform a strategic portfolio analysis. The Cost Constraint Analysis View is a powerful what-if analysis tool that helps Sarah identify which projects to execute in order to deliver the best ROI for a given budget. For example, with a budget of $20 million, every project in Sarah's portfolio can be completed, resulting in a strategic value of 100%. If Sarah reduces the total budget to $13 million and recalculates the analysis, Project Online optimizes the portfolio by selecting the highest impact projects to execute, resulting in a total strategic value of 83%. Sarah can save this cost scenario for comparison purposes. With Project Online, Sarah can easily run as many cost scenarios as she needs to find the best balance between cost and strategic value. If a deselected project is critical to execute, Sarah can ensure that it is included in the portfolio by forcing it in. When she recalculates the analysis, Sarah can see that the new project has been included, but other higher value projects have been moved out. Sarah saves the scenario and then runs a side-by-side comparison of all her saved scenarios to evaluate them in terms of included projects, strategic value, and overall cost. In addition to analyzing costs, Sarah can analyze resource allocations. Sarah can use Project Online to perform a what-if scenario to analyze the impact of hiring 3 additional resources. Projects that weren't selected can now be started, since a resource deficit for these projects has been resolved. She can view a report outlining the roles hired and other resource information. Next, Sarah returns to the Project Center to make real-time scheduling decisions on her active projects.